So this is my M4 Mac Mini, and I've had external drives attached to this, and it's usually on top or on side. They fall over. This has been getting scratched up from the other metals hitting this, and so I tried printing out a couple M4 stands from Printables and Thingiverse, and none of them seemed to really fit what I wanted. And thankfully, because I have several 3D printers and some experience with design work, I was able to print out my own kind of like cartridge-ish type of system that slides in and out. And then I have my external drives here. So I have that there. And then well, that's unfortunate, but basically they stick out. I have access to the fan to turn that one on, to turn the fan on. There's enough clearance here for the fan to get some air to pull in and stuff like that. And then it just slides in because it is effectively a drawer. And it's all nice and neat in terms of being completely flushed, just like that. So this is all flushed. You can see the little bit bevels here, and this is all to meet up. There's enough airflow still for the M4 Mac Mini 2. So if I take this part off, you can kind of see the underlying guts here. And the drawer part, it's pretty simple. It's just straight PLA and stuff like that. And it's thick enough so that it doesn't melt, because that was one of the issues I had with some other designs that I was printing out from other makers. And so yeah, it's just a basic little stand here. It actually prints upside down like this, and there's very little support needed. I tried my best to make little changes. So for example, this here has a little bit of a dip in here to be able to not need support when printing. And then it all fits in, like I said, nice and neat, all flushed. And the M4 can sit on here, still get the airflow, kind of like snaps into place just like that. And then I have my drives, which can then plug into the back of my M4 Mac Mini.